Hey guys, so today I'm back with a quick hair tutorial. I did a video recently where I had like a braided top knot, and I got a bunch of requests to show how I did it, and it's really simple, so I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright, so starting off, my hair, I washed it yesterday so it's clean, and I plaited it in 8 sections to stretch it out. So now I'm going to take out each of these plaits. My hair dries quicker when I do it in more sections. I washed my hair like around the same time yesterday, and so it's about a full 24 hours later now that I'm taking these out, and my hair feels completely dry. My hair is already detangled, by the way. Y'all know I detangle my hair while it's wet in the shower with conditioner, but right now I'm going to take each section and add some olive oil. I have put olive oil in this little container here. I'm going to take some olive oil. I took about a quarter-sized amount, rub that on, and then taking this paddle brush, I'm just going to brush that out, make sure everything is smooth and I don't have any snags. And this is really important. This helps me to get a super sleek bun when I make sure that my hair is fully detangled and stretched. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of these plaits. I'm not going to bore you and make you sit through this. I'll go ahead and do this off camera, and then I'll come back when all of my hair is out. All right, y'all, we are back. Hair is all out. I kind of want to pull it back in the front and just have it all out and wild in the back and let it hang free, but that's not what we're here for today, so we're gonna forge on. So now all I have to do is brush it up and put it into a ponytail. I like to first gather it with my hands, just gather all of the hair and bring it as far forward as I can. Then using the paddle brush, I'm gonna get it as smooth as I can so I don't have any lumps. The only thing I'm going to use is Eco Styler gel. This is what I'm going to put on my hair to get it to lay down. And one thing about this, holding it like this, it really makes your hands hurt. So I try to work as fast as I can. Start in the front and just add gel to my edges. I'm just going to add just enough to get all of my hair flat and get those flyaways to lay down. And then I'm going to take this smaller bristle brush and brush it over again to get the gel to blend in and lay everything down. And this will show me if there's any spots that I need to add more gel. Anything that's not being super flat, I can touch that up. Gather your hair all the way at the top, and then I'm going to use this hair tie here to secure it into a high ponytail. I usually like to use the hair ties with a hook on the ends because they're easier to attach and close, but I couldn't find mine, so this is, you know, my next best option. So I'm gonna just make this as tight and secure as I can get it. All right, so there we go. Still have a little bit of fuzziness going on, which is fine. I'm going to fix this in a minute. So now I'm just going to take this hair and make a twist. Try to make as tight of a twist as you can. And then I'm going to twist this around into a small bun and secure it with a bobby pin. Then I'm going to clean up my edges and really make my hair as flat as I can get it. First go over it with the bristle brush. And then I'm going to shape my edges with this edge brush. And just get them to frame the ponytail, frame your face, get it how you like. All right, and once I have everything looking pretty much how I want it to look, I'm gonna take a scarf and tie it all down so it will dry flat. I usually like to wrap my edges down for at least an hour. So on a normal day, I would prep my hair first and then go on to do makeup or whatever else and then come back to my hair. So yeah, I'm going to leave this on for an hour and then I'll come back and show you guys how to finish this all up. All right, y'all, so it's been just about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and remove the scarf. I also put some clips in the back to help everything stay in place. So now to make my braided bun, I'm using this braiding hair. I get this from the beauty supply store for $2 a pack. And with this, I took the hair and I plaited it all the way down to make a long braid and secured it at the end with a rubber band. And this is what I got. So I kept the rubber band on here that came with it, and I'm going to use this to attach it to my bun that I have here. So just put that on like that. And now I'm going to wrap this around my bun. I'm going to wind it and, you know, shape it. Take a bobby pin and pin this down so that'll stay. And then I'm going to wind this around at the bottom. I like my bun to be pretty tight. I don't like it to be very wide. So I'm just holding my bun in place, my real bun, and wrapping this braided piece tightly around that and shaping it as I go. And then this end piece, the tail, you want to bring it and wrap it at the base of the bun and pin it in place to hide that. I'm gonna add some pins all over my edges again just to make sure they are just right. Alright peeps, so this is basically how I do my braided top knot bun in a nutshell. And so this is my go-to way to do my buns. This is the way that I usually do them. And I love just how sleek and put together and chic top knots like these are. And then with the braided action, I feel like it adds just a little bit more character and pizzazz to it. And whenever I'm having a bad hair day, or if I just don't know what to do with my hair, I will usually go with this because it's just so easy. So yeah, this is a really simple, easy style to do, very affordable, and you don't need a bunch of products to achieve this. So that's what I love about it the most. And I hope this answered all of your questions for those of you that were asking me how I do this. There you go. But that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll catch up with you soon on my next one. Peace.